Hi there, students. Competent, competence, competency, competences. Okay, if you are competent, you are good at something, you do it well. Yeah, you are able to do it. You have sufficient skill and knowledge. You have all the qualifications to do it. In law, if you are competent, if you have competence, it means you have jurisdiction in a certain case. You are legally, you have the legal authority to deal with a matter. Now, competency and competences. This is a word or a concept that is used very much by human resources in companies. Yeah, a competency is the ability to perform some task. Yeah, and core competencies, the special abilities, the expertise to give a business a competitive advantage. Okay, so competence, competency. A series of skills, of ability, of knowledge, of experience, of behavior, which mean that you will be able to perform effectively in various different activities. Yeah, and human resources in companies, personnel, is very concerned about the competencies or the competencies of their workers. A competency is measurable, and you can develop it through training. Yeah, this job requires the following competencies: dealing with people, leadership, problem solving, quality control. Okay, so these are competencies. These are the idea. Let's see, this competency, it's one of the probably the most difficult terms to pin down in the in human resources in the management sector. But let's see, for human resources, competencies are very important because they want to be able to split up a job and define exactly what are the necessary qualities, the necessary competencies that a worker must have to do specific job. Yes, you have core competencies, the main central competence, but there are many other competencies as well, which are desirable as well. Also, you have different levels of competence. You could be an expert, a novice, you could be knowledgeable. There are various different levels of this. Okay, so competencies clarify the skills required for a job. Yeah, you can identify gaps in employees' knowledge. So competencies, yeah, the ability to do something. Yeah, the knowledge that you have of something. The ability to do it well. So you could say he has great competence as a teacher. But what are his teaching competencies? Well, the English language both to native speakers and to foreigners. Okay, the opposite of this is incompetence, where you do something very badly. But the competence, the ability to do something efficiently. And then in this business idea, the quality of having sufficient knowledge, judgment, skill to carry out a particular duty or a particular role. So he has leadership competencies. And well, so competence, yeah, competence. There are lots of different competence. You could be competent as an administrator. You could be competent as a lawyer, a competent leader, a competent manager. That just means good at it. But specific competencies, very specific skills, yeah, and identifying these still. So communication, cooperation, customer service, flexibility, innovation, organization. These are all different competencies. Support of diversity, yeah, and human resources, they try and improve the competencies of their workers to help them on their career path. So enough. So competent, 5 informality, use anywhere. Um, uh, Competence, his competence or incompetence. 5.5 informality, competencies. 6 informality, very business. And then this comes from French, from Latin competentia, correspondence, agreement, symmetry, to fit, to be the right thing in the right place, skill, ability. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Competent, competence, competency, competencies.